Clarke CS4-6E is a combination belt and disc sander, suitable for DIY and trade use. It performs the role of two tools in one. The disc is used for precise edge work, such as mitre joints and truing outside curves. The belt allows you to flatten faces and edges, shape contours, and smooth inside curves. The Clarke CS4-6E has an NVR switch, which will avoid unexpected startups, and is also equipped with a 60mm dust extraction outlet to attach to your dust extractor. The sanding belt can be used in the vertical or horizontal position, or any angle in between, and the work table can be fitted to either the disc or belt. Belt tracking is simply adjusted using the tracking knob on the side of the machine. When sanding flat, wide surfaces, the work is held tightly to the surface of the belt and against the finger guard. The Clarke CS4-6E is ideal for sanding inside curves using the idler drum end of the belt, and outside curves by moving the work from left to right of the belt. The sanding disc spins at 2,850 RPM and is ideal for precisely sanding mitres and other intricate work, either freehand or in conjunction with the supplied mitre guide, which is ideal for use when sanding small end surfaces. The mitre guide can be set to plus or minus 60 degrees. Replacement sanding discs and belts in a range of grades are available from your local Clarke stockist. Changing the sanding belt is a simple operation. Release the tension with the tension lever, remove the lower cowling, and slide off the old belt. Sanding discs are self-adhesive, and after removing the work table and disc guard, the old disc is simply peeled off. The 370-watt, 230-volt high-torque motor gives smooth and quiet running with a sanding speed of 450 meters per minute, and the 265 by 160mm work table can be tilted up to 45 degrees. The Clarke CS4-6E comes with a sanding belt and sanding disc, work table, and a mitre guide. With its robust cast iron construction, multi-position 4-inch 100mm sanding belt and 6-inch 150mm sanding disc, it will give you a long and effective life.